Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. Today I'm talking about co-washing my hair. The day I made this video, I just woke up and I had a hectic day, a very busy schedule. So I decided to do a co-wash instead of a full-on wash. I'm taking down the protective style I had. As you can see, the bobby pin was already sticking out, which means that it was already time to take out the protective style. Always remember, my loves, that anytime you're taking a protective style, be gentle. So for my co-wash, I will start with Joico, as you all know I love. I love my Joico. However, I only had a small amount left, sadly. So I mixed it up with Macadamia, as you see, and the other Joico product. So I mixed those three conditioners. The Macadamia conditioner smelled good. So I start off with making my hair damp, so just pouring some water on my hair strands, and you see here it's already damp. I love working in sections. It makes it just easier for me to work on my hair. My hair strands are fine but are full, so I work in sections. Whenever you're doing your hair, make sure that you avoid things that catch on your hair. Here my fingernail was catching on my hair, so I had to file down my fingernail. So the next step is to work in sections with my hair. I stated earlier, I love working in sections with my hair. And be careful when you're working on your hair. You will experience some tangles. Loves, please be gentle with your hair. So take out your time to remove the tangle. You see how much time I took to remove that small tangle. So please take out your time. Let no strand be left behind. Let no strand be maltreated. Take care of every little strand you have, because it will help you grow long, healthy hair. So now I'm going to start with this section. As a good rule of thumb, start from the bottom of the hair, that's the ends of the hair, and work your way to the roots. I usually forget that and then start from the middle of the hair and just work my way down. But the best rule of thumb is to start from the ends of your hair and work your way to the roots. So start from the ends of your hair and work your way to the roots. From the ends with conditioner and work your way to the roots. As you see in this video, when I'm doing a conditioner treatment, when I'm putting conditioner in my hair, I try to do a light detangle. Today I was going to do a detangle with a comb, so I just did a light detangle while I was putting my deep conditioner in my hair. And I stated earlier in this video, I had just a little Joico left, so I had to mix conditioners together in order to at least take care of my hair. So I'm mixing the Macadamia deep conditioner with Joico. So I'm mixing the Macadamia deep conditioner with my favorite Joico deep conditioner, and actually mixing both of them together actually came out great. I am used to using Joico mainly as my conditioner. So once I'm done putting the conditioner in my hair and working the conditioner into my hair strands, I then twist the hair up just to ensure that my hair is done in sections. I do my hair in sections to prevent tangling of my hair. As you all know, type 4 hair is very curly and kinky. So to prevent tangles while you're taking care of your beautiful hair, you want to make sure you try to work in sections. Try your best to work in sections, and then you avoid tangles. So the method I showed you with this section of hair, I'll repeat on the other sections of my hair. I don't want to bore you all with showing you everything, so I just showed you the last piece of hair. As you see, my deep conditioner is almost finished. So I've almost finished the Macadamia and I've almost finished the Joico. So I did go through quite a lot of deep conditioner on my hair, but it was worth it. My hair came out good. So this is my last Joico. I need to buy more from the TJ Maxx, but for now this was enough. This was the last I had, but this was enough for the whole treatment, and at least the Joico served me for this treatment on my hair. So I stated earlier, walk the deep conditioner on your hair, and since I knew I was going to detangle my hair using a comb, I just did a very light finger detangling, just to be able to have the sections separate from each other. So you can see what I'm doing here, just a light finger detangling, making sure that there aren't tangles in my hair. So, and then preparing my hair for the comb. That's the main detangling. So pretty much this is it. I put the conditioner in my hair, do a light detangle, and then section it. I will leave this deep conditioner in my hair and afterwards go to the gym and run other errands. I pretty much let the deep conditioner in my hair for about 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours ish. I left the deep conditioner in my hair. Now at the gym, I love the gym. I love lifting weights. Weightlifting is one of my big hobbies, and yeah, it's quite fun. So I did my weightlifting, and after I got done with that, I came back to do my hair. So now I'm out of the gym and my hair is already deep conditioned. The heat from my scalp helped to make the deep conditioner penetrate into the strands of my hair. So, as you all know, I love working in sections. So, I'm just trying to get the section I'm going to start detangling and then put the rest away. So, that's what I'm just doing here. Taking out the way I put the hair for the deep conditioner to penetrate my strands. And now I'm just preparing my hair to get detangled by using a comb to detangle my hair. So, I've picked the first section I want to work with, and I'm going to show you the type of comb I will be using to detangle my hair. For the sections of hair that you're not doing, please put that aside. Again, I'm a big believer in work in sections, and for those you're not doing, just put them aside because we don't want tangles. Our hair is very beautiful and curly, and it just wants to love on itself. So we just need to prevent so much socializing that our hair wants to do with itself, right? So if the hair socializes too much with itself, it's going to tangle. So this is what I'm doing in terms of detangling. I try my best to be gentle when I'm detangling my hair, honestly. I try not to use too much force, and I try to use a wide tooth comb. A wide tooth comb is very beneficial because it acts kind of like your fingers, but using a comb I believe is faster than doing finger tangling. So I use a comb on my head like maybe once in 2 months or so. I use a comb in my hair very infrequently. So I use it very infrequently. I use a comb in my hair very infrequently. So I make sure I'm gentle as I'm combing my hair, and if I experience tangles, I actually experience more tangles at the roots of my hair than at the ends of my hair. So whenever I experience tangle, I just take the comb out of there and then try to walk a little bit below where I experience the knots or the tangle. So if I experience the tangle in the midsection of my hair, I try to put the comb below where I experience the tangle and then comb um, that section. So see, the kind of comb I'm using is wide tooth comb. So I suggest you use a wide tooth comb when you're using a comb to detangle your hair. But if you prefer, the best method to detangle your hair is actually finger detangling. But given I had a busy schedule today, I just needed something fast, and the comb was fast to help me detangle my hair. So using the comb was the fastest method I could use to detangle my hair. So when I'm done using the comb, I just monitor my hair to make sure that it's detangled well. So you saw as I was parting the hair, I just wanted to make sure that the comb helped detangle my hair well, which it did. Now that I'm done detangling the hair, I put it in sections. I don't want all the work I did to detangle my hair just go in vain like that. So I just put it in section. Now that I know that that part of my hair is detangled, I'll just put it away and then repeat the same process all over my hair on the other sections of hair. So now that I'm done with that section, I'll repeat the same method I did on this section. So pretty much making sure that the conditioner has gotten into the strands of the hair, which it did. And then I do like a light finger detangling because I know that I'm going to use a comb on my hair. Once I'm done doing the light finger detangling, I just comb through the hair. I actually noticed that for my hair, the roots of my hair were actually more tangled than the ends of my hair for some reason. Usually, the reverse is the case for most naturals, but I found that at least today, the roots of my hair felt more tangled than the ends of my hair. Anyways, I use the comb to detangle my hair, and I try to be very gentle when I'm detangling my hair with a comb. I try my best to be very gentle so that I don't pull and tug. And if I find any stubborn knots in my hair, I drop the comb and I use my fingers to detangle the stubborn knots. That's what I do. So I use the comb majorly, but if there are stubborn knots in my hair or if there are stubborn tangles in my hair that will require me to pull on my hair to comb it through, I just drop the comb and then use my fingers to untangle those stubborn knots or tangles in my hair. So that's pretty much it. The same method I showed for the first section and this second section, I repeated all over the remaining sections on my hair, and pretty much it was a good detangling day. I did get my detangling done quicker than if I just did a finger detangling, and overall my hair felt less tangled after this whole process. So I'm really happy about that. And once again, I'll repeat, whenever you're doing your hair, if you have type 4 hair, try to do it in sections. It helps to prevent tangling. Our hair is very social, it's very curly, and it just loves socializing with other strands. So in order to prevent too much socializing of our hair strands, which will cause knots, we just need to put it in sections, and there'll be less knots or tangles in our beautiful hair. Now this is the last section of my hair. I've already done the same to the rest of the hair, and pretty much the process is similar. Just use the comb to remove any knots in the hair, and make sure you're gentle when you're using the comb. Don't just tug and pull. Make sure you're gentle. I honestly didn't feel any pain on my scalp when I was detangling my hair using a comb because I try my best to be gentle when I'm detangling my hair with a comb. And when I'm done detangling my hair, I always put it in sections. That's the key, one of the key parts of it. When you're done detangling your hair, put your hair in sections. Believe me, it's going to help you out. It's going to help make the hair care more interesting and more peaceful than if you just had your hair left alone and it became tangled or it becomes tangled. Then you won't be happy having a tangled head of hair. So yeah, this is the last section. If you notice, I did this treatment in the same style in which I will do my protective hairstyle. I'll actually show you in parts of this video my protective hairstyle, but I did this treatment in the same pattern that I did my protective hairstyle, in the same pattern I will style my protective hairstyle. The reason is because I try to limit the amount of time my hand is in my hair. So by doing the treatments and by washing my hair in similar pattern in which I'll do my protective style, it just enables my hair to already be in a certain pattern, and it makes it easier for me to do my hair. So this is the amount of hair I lost while doing my hair, and I'm happy that I got done with doing the treatments, and at this point it's just time for me to wash my hair. So in the next video I will show you how I did my protective style using the different products I have. I'll show you how I achieved my protective style, how I went from this to my final protective style. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video, whereby I show you how I did this beautiful simple protective style.